Following complaints from public, North Goa Police has registered a total of 17 cases till yesterday. Of these, 5 cases have been registered in Bicholim Police Station, 4 cases have been registered in Agashi Police Station, 2 cases have been registered in Porvan Police Station, 1 case has been registered in Old Goa Police Station, and 1 case each has been registered in Mapsa and Kolwali Police Station. In these cases, until now, the North Goa Police has arrested 13 accused persons and more arrests are likely. Some of the persons have been found involved in more than 1 cases. Thus far, investigation which we have conducted has revealed that most of the money was either paid through cash and in some cases it was also paid through bank accounts. In all those cases in which buying transactions are involved, we are working closely with the bank authorities to find out the money trail as to what were the sources and destination of the money. In one of the cases, we have also recovered 116 grams of gold. This had been shared with you previously, this information. I would submit that investigation in these cases is continuous and ongoing. Therefore, at this stage, we would only be able to disclose this many details.
In 17 cases, how many total accused?
As I said, we have arrested 30 persons.
Total accused.
Total accused, we believe, are around 18.
What is the cost? How many women, how many men?
Some of these accused persons are also accused in cases of South District. So, giving you a clear distinction between women and child at this stage would not be right. And we would be able to share that data later on.
सर इसमें कुछ इंटरस्टेट कम्युनिकेशंस हो रहा था कोल्हापुर से लेके
देखिए, इसके अंदर जो नॉर्थ गोवा के अंदर हमने देखा है, इसके अंदर अलग अलग मोडस ऑपरेंडी यूज किया गया, अलग अलग तरीके के नौकरियों को प्रॉमिस करने के लिए। एक हमने केस वर्क किया था जो बिचोलिम पुलिस स्टेशन के अंदर रजिस्टर किया था, जहां पे कुछ समय से हमारे पास एक ऐसी सूचना आ रही थी कि वन लेडी had promised persons that she will give them jobs in railway. So we have registered a case and that accused person has been arrested. She was later identified as one Priya Yadav, who was a resident of Morden in Bicholim. इसके ऊपर 2 केसेस अभी तक रजिस्टर्ड है और इसका मोडस ऑपरेंडी इस तरीके का था that she would say to victims that she had some land in Kolhapur which had been taken over by railways. और रेलवेज ने जब उनसे लैंड ली तो रेलवे ने उनको प्रॉमिस किया कि वो उनको नौकरी भी देंगे और कैश भी देंगे। और एक बार उन्होंने एक तरीके का ट्रिक भी लगाया विक्टिम्स को ले जाके, जहां उन्होंने उनको जमीन दिखाई और कहा कि ये रेलवे आपको इसमें नौकरी देगा। एक लेडी उन्होंने हायर की, वो एक तरीके से जिसने विक्टिम्स को फोन करके कहा कि हाँ मैं रेलवे से बोल रही हूँ, आप ऐसे फॉर्म भर के भेजो, हम आपको पैसे देंगे। ऐसे करके शी हैड ड्यूप्ड लार्ज नंबर ऑफ पर्सन्स एंड इन दिस केस वी हैड रिकवर्ड 116 grams of gold. And how this recovery happened is also interesting because in some cases she would take the victims to certain places such as places where if you mortgage your gold you get cash. So वो victims को वहाँ ले जाती थी और उनसे उनका गोल्ड मॉर्गेज करा के पैसे ले लेती थी by saying कि ये मैं वहाँ पे आपको नौकरी दिलाने के लिए यूज करूँगी, and she would then just dupe them. So in these cases we have recovered that gold.
नॉर्थ गोवा में जितने भी केसेस है उसमें तो ज्यादा तो महिलाओं का समावेश है, तो कैसे देखते हैं
देखिए इस तरीके से फॉर अस आई डू नॉट डू दैट जेंडर, फॉर अस दे आर ऑल एक्यूज्ड पर्सन।